So here is the example of finding the HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So in the previous video, you learned about how to find a common factors and how to draw a Venn diagram and draw a common factor in it. So now in this example, we find the common factors. So example, find the common factors. Highest common factor of 52, 78 and 130 by prime factorization method. So here is the division method. It seems like a division method. Okay, so first digit is 52 means last. So इसके last value क्या है 2. It's mean divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry and 2 6 are 12. Very good. So last digit is 6. Now it's divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now it will become 13 and 13 जो सिर्फ अपने ही टेबल में आता है और किसी के टेबल में नहीं आता. 13 1s are 13. Now move to the next digit 78 और 78 में लास्ट क्या है 8. लास्ट डिजिट वन साइड पे 8 है. इट्स मीन डिविजिबल बाय 2. सो 2 3s are 6, 1 carry. Now it will become 18. 2 9s are 18. Now 39 9. So it's not an even number. Is it divisible by 3? Let's see. 9 plus 3 9 10 11 12. So 12 जो है वो 3 के टेबल में आता है. It's mean it's divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 13 1s are 13. Now move to the next digit 130 और 130 में last digit क्या है 0. It's mean it's divisible by 3. Sorry, divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 1 carry. 2 5s are 10 because it will become 10. That's why 2 5s are 10. Now last digit 65 means last digit 5. So it's divisible by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 1 carry. It will become 15. So 5 3s are 15 and then last one 13 1s are 13. So here are the prime factors of 52, 78 and 130. So prime factors of 52 are 2, 2 and 3, 13. Prime factors of 78 are 2, 3 and 13. And the last one is prime factors of 130 are 2, 5 and 13. So find the common factors between them. इनमें जो कॉमन फैक्टर्स हैं वो है 2 क्योंकि 2 जो है वो तीनों में आ रहा है. देन 13 भी जो है वो तीनों में आ रहा है. इट्स मीन 2 and 13 आर द कॉमन फैक्टर्स बिटवीन 52, 78 and 130. नाउ फाइंडिंग द HCF. हाउ टू फाइंड द HCF? मल्टीप्लाई 2 by 13. 2 multiplied by 13 equals to 26. So 26 is our highest common factor. Got it? Allah Hafiz.